Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar launches the first digital workplace solution, e-Office of Health Society, Manipur. BOSIM Chairman cum Director of Education S.T.H. Kiran Kumar announces to commence HSLC examination from February 17, 2020 under new guidelines. Kokomi team leaves for Delhi. Kokomi coordinator Jitendra says decision will be taken after meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah. Tribes of Zoe community demands Zolan Territorial Council carried out mass protest rallies at various parts of Churachandpur district. And President of Women Action for Development WAD Sobita Mangsatabam appeals prescribed groups not to interfere in settling rape cases. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar has launched the first digital workplace solution, e-Office of Health Society, Manipur today. Speaking in the event at Health Minister's Secretariat Office in Babupara, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar lauded the Health Department's new initiative and said that it will maintain transparency and accountability in the departmental works. He proclaimed that it is a part of the state government's good governance. Minister Jayantakumar asserted that the e-Office system will curb various problems such as accidental deletion or misplaced files of the department. He maintained that the department officials will be able to manage file processing in a more secure way with the help of the new system and as well as handle file processing issues. He hoped that the state government shall launch such initiatives in other departments for the welfare of the people and the state. Taking part in the event, Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare V. Vumlunmang asserted that Health Department's new initiative will greatly facilitate the officials of the department in speeding up file processing works and improve public services. Scientist F of State Information Officer Manipur, K. H. Rajan, and representatives of NIC Manipur and Delhi took part in the event.
Transparency what pigi wari miyam khen wo yawba the accountability what pigi wari miyam the data security the short of the wari miyam yawba masi ko department ko to thenar be sing masi ko na negate tong na ba masi avoid tong na ba hajana si system jang si introduce sok ba na ba tai to ko access tok si NIC kangbu sing de ro na action wari ba Dr. Thangpa kom man access tor ko yam thuna jaga da machine sing install tor matung da ko mission na deal tor ko file kara ba changki kadang thor ki kadi file no kara ba kyam kini pinang le hai even though officers na to the chatna iragasu office pham lagasu atum contact to ya ba makil report na device mo ba sarkari good governance ke part mo oi real mase ko yan han bani.
Meanwhile, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India accorded an appreciation certificate to the State Health Department for rendering efforts in eliminating non-communicable disease (NCD) viral hepatitis, delivering home-based palliative care services and providing care services through Health and Wellness Center services under Ayushman Bharat to the people of the state. The certificate was presented during the 6th National Summit on Good and Replicable Practices and Innovations in Public Healthcare System in India held at Gandhi Nagar in Gujarat. Minister L. Jayantakumar credited achievements to the officials of Health Department and Health Care Services. L. Jayantakumar asserted that the Health and Wellness Center under Ayushman Bharat aimed to provide health care facilities at the grassroots level, stating that home-based palliative care services have been provided to a total of 58 centers in the state. He maintained that cervical cancer detection, Health and Wellness Center for women under non-communicable disease, best practices have been launched at 10 centers in Imphal West and 9 centers in Thoubal district. He assured that efforts are underway to increase productivity in the centers. He urged the public to obtain benefits from the health and wellness centers funded by the state government.
Grassroots level la work to iba health and wellness center palliative care se masi launa bagi sima ko introduce to jaga duna ko liba makhalgi village locality sing to chalaga maduda lairiba makhalgi anaba sing do agalo yadra ba sigadu ngai le nen haiba they sometimes imu manungda ba sokna ningdra ba haitai ya lo wara bne na leiba home visit But Chalamatunda Madugi, Ting Pang Biba, Yellow Biba, and Maduka in total 58 health and wellness centers. Maduda lady, Makaki says she was saying as our workers, Natimiam, pull up Punjalaga, home visits, how real. Madun Maramo and the government Indiana Madu acknowledged to Budagini, got a certificate of Gujarat, Okipidis, health and wellness centers in Nangi, Chum Nasum, Okuna, Angang Nabagini, Nabagin Tormas, not about the hen diagnosis, some Makli Poaching, the hen Maru Makli Poaching, Mashida focused over her private.
BOSIM Chairman cum Director of Education S.T.H. Kiran Kumar has announced that the high school living certificate examination conducted by BOSIM will be held under new guidelines from February 17, 2020 onwards. Speaking to media at BOSIM office in Babupara today, BOSIM Chairman Kiran Kumar stated that there will be changes right from the answer scripts of students and that filling up of examination forms will be done online. Chairman Kiran Kumar also said that limited number of answer scripts will be given to teachers for checking, unlike previous years when teachers could check as many answer scripts as they like. He also asserted that answer scripts of subject toppers and top 10 subjects students will be made available on BOSIM website to avoid tussles among toppers after results declaration. He maintained that answer keys of the examination will also be uploaded on BOSIM website and opinions from experts will be invited for 3 days. T.H. Kiran Kumar asserted that arrangements have been made to provide necessary trainings to stakeholders to fit in the new examination pattern.
Check to video Ozasingna Amadi head examiner Singazu, Hena Hana Toromadagi, Masama Tanda, Masa Chection Jananaba, Adumba, Tanzama, Lakadoribani, Satra Satri Singasu, Takaliba and Sascript Singdu, Akogi, Sima, Chum they have Duma Yang Jabayare, Aduga, but the board is planning that Akogi Yam Section Tawani, Aduga, Akogi, Ring Takai, the Semdo Pokoto, Adudi, Yarigay, Akoi, Tauro, Habaduma, Akoi, Aduma Tamzage. A home mam say, Handaki, Laiba, Metric Pekazida, Sauna. Lakani aduna mayamna su porta thaja biwa thambiu aduga mayamgi kanoki examination sinbu mateng pangbiu.
Responding to Impact News query regarding inconveniences facing students due to non-availability of textbooks on time every year, the chairman assured that students will no longer face such inconveniences starting next year. He asserted that efforts will be made to complete printing of textbooks by December before starting the new academic session in January 2020. The chairman mentioned that printing of half of the required textbooks is completed and that the textbooks are in stock. He appealed to bookstore owners to fetch the books from BOSIM on time.
Dakti like number ngantana nami ngachi ngantana procurator lighting ngan nami aduga issue si lighting ngan number issue tongan ba issue atopa side effects mayam leiba aduna board sida hojik lighting angak poda pairaga lei hojin numi khuding lighting pusalai thambam lei chalatre thambam lei ka de khoi ka dogen ko down nam negla ani board ta paisa hena chalani aduna lighting ngan nam matamda khoi nam ho mayam na paisa ngan na piu harakani sendong yamna leiba pot sunati aduna board ta akhoi gi economy da chauna effect tawba na hojik su akhoi dukan singda akoina request of gaise election an leibi gro.
An 18-member team of Kokomi left for Delhi to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah today. Speaking to media ahead of the visit at Imphal International Airport, media coordinator of Kokomi, Jitendra Ningomba, said that Kokomi will take a resolution along with the people of state after meeting with the union minister. He asserted that Kokomi appreciates the public's reaction after an official news surface on the internet declaring that Kokomi have withdrawn their boycott on Sangai Festival 2019 yesterday. He appealed the people to be patient until they have met with Home Minister Amit Shah. He asserted that Kokomi will take further measures along with the people after getting a response from Amit Shah.
ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ 19ꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯇꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯎꯅꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯁꯤ ꯎꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯒꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯎꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯖꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯅ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯉ ꯆꯠꯆꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯔꯤꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯥꯊꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯖꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯝꯃꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
Tribes of Zo community carried out a mass protest rally demanding a Zolan Territorial Council at various parts of Churachandpur district today. Zomi Council headquarters organized a rally in solidarity to the ongoing talks between Indian government and proscribed United People's Front, UPF, and Kuki National Organization in suspension of operation. More than 1,000 people from 9 tribal communities such as Gangte, Tadim, Chin, Thankal, Kom, Mate, Zau, Waifai and Paite took part in the rally. People carried out the rally in Thanlon, Singhad, Swando, Molnom, including Zantar Mantar in Delhi against the same. The rally commenced from Tangnuam Public Ground in Churachandpur district headquarters and concluded at Lamka Public Ground. Zomi Council headquarters also submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through the DC of the district. Various placards which read, "We demand ZTC for Zo people, why not JTC now? We support UPF or KNO. No Zolan, no rest" were displayed at the rally. President of Women Action for Development WAD, Sobita Mangsatabam, appealed to the proscribed outfits not to interfere in settling of rape case issues of the state. She was speaking on the inauguration of 16-day of activism against gender-based violence campaigned at Hotel Classic Grand in Chingmairong today. WAD Conflict Widow Forum, DVSF, UWRD, NEDF, CNPW, KKLMPPL, WEJ, YFPHR and ECN and SRC organized a campaign on the theme, Generation Equality Stands Against Rape. Sobita Mangsatabam said that relevant government departments, NGOs and various organizations have been striving to curb rape culture in the state. She expressed unfortunate over the increasing number of rape cases in the state. She further said that it would be wrong to term the faults of rape to women only. Maintaining that rape survivors faces extreme difficulties and painful emotions and experiences, she asserted that official reports on such incidents are very rare. Sobita said increasing number of rape victims in the state will lead to failure of forming a strong society. She urged the people, NGOs and civil society organizations to stand against rape culture. NGOs, leaders of various women organizations and many rape victims attended the event.
Underground singna kihelakpa open di nate adubu phongna chappa yaroi tawbi yaroi case withdraw taw habna singbase I appeal again not to interfere in such crime, brutal crime against women that it chutok tawbirakano karigumba chathadana sum leirabadi manipur da leiriba khoi khudimak hauraga khoi su fight tawrakani habase. This is my stand. I nate ko aina haijai on behalf of the women, the victims of Manipur, I pain leba khoi aduna I appeal amuka so hana tawjari interfere tawbirakano customary law nasu fazana tawbiu si review tawraga sigumba ga no da auction charaga loisan yabraba adu tawbiganu masi review tawbiu adu government nasu leibam thokpa magi infrastructure fazana setup tawbiu hoji power demand tawraga lakpasi tawdana leb.
Chairman of Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC, L. Nishikant, announced that there will be changes in the examination patterns conducted by the Commission. He was speaking to media in a press meet held at MPSC office in North AOC today. Speaking further, L. Nishikant said that MPSC has been following the patterns of UPSC, asserting that the patterns does not fit quite well in the state. He added, failure of candidates to pass as per the vacancy in recently conducted examination to recruit SO of MSPCL is one relevant example. He maintained that errors were found in the evaluation and rechecking processes of the examination. L. Nishikanta said that arrangements are underway to change the question patterns and evaluation processes for the examinations conducted by MPSC. He said that all the answer scripts will also be checked digitally. The MPSC chairman appealed to the resource persons in the state to extend help in setting questions.
हौजिक्ति अखोइना हाइरिसी क्वेश्चन पूरा सेट खनबे महत्ता इंडिविजुअल क्वेश्चन खल्लगा मिक्सअप तौर क्वेश्चन नमगेना खल्ली आंसर चेक तौबदा हानदि मी अमना आंसर शीट अमा तौरमे अज अखोइना खल्लीसी इवैल्यूएटर अमना क्वेश्चन अमा नत्र क्वेश्चन अनि देहन चेक तौहलो है थर्डली क्वेश्चन सेट तौरिबा मीदु क्वेश्चन दुगो लोइना हौजि अखोइ इदे लैसी आंसर पिरक्ते हबा आंसर से माने पिरदि दैट कैन बिकम ए मॉडल आंसर ऑलरेडी चेक तौबदा यारगे माने सेट तौबो क्वेश्चन नमदि मंगोंदे सेट चेक तौहनगे खल्ला अखोइ गिदा हौजि हैंड रिटन परीक्षा तौरि अखोइ हैंड रिटन परीक्षा से महत्व अखोइना डिजिटल तौब ngam मैनिपुलेशन की स्कोप से हम रिड्यूस तौरे को अदुगा टाइम से हमने सेव तौरने हाइ हौजिक्ति अखोइना हाइरिसी क्वेश्चन पूरा सेट खनबे महत्व
that farmers are suspicious over the bank for misappropriation of the compensation money sanctioned by the government for the fields at Wangu Tanjing, Ithai and Napet under Kumbi constituency, which were damaged by the flash flood in 2017. Speaking to media at Wangu Ahalup today, Sagol Sembamkin Chandra asserted that the government have compensated 3.99 crore rupees for the flood victims of Bishnupur district. He said that DC Bishnupur credited money to Moirang Primary Cooperative Bank Limited through direct benefit transfer for Kumbi constituency on July 2nd. He expressed disappointment that the money credited through direct benefit transfer to the respective bank accounts of the beneficiaries, which should have been available within a month, have not been available till date. He urged authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest.
Turai mapanda taba khaidagi hena singna wahan gi ba jaga sigi 2017 gi paisa khara crore khara DC dagi di 2nd July 2019 da direct benefit transfer gi system da release tawkhre adubu hauji phawba lawmi singda paisa si amata yoramdabadagi press meet pangthok jabani athuba matamda lawmi singi paisa singsi lawmi singda phangan biu.
Shri Krishna Classical Yoga International Center, in a press release, informed that Shri Krishna Classical Yoga Group of India has submitted a memorandum to Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, appealing not to affect the territorial boundary of Manipur, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh by the finalization of Naga peace talks. A man was found dead in a suspicious manner at K. Nivangphai village in Churachandpur district today. The deceased is 39-year-old Langhatla, son of late Songvasung from Saidan village. Sources said that local residents found the body at K. Nivangphai village, adjoining Saidan village bridge at around 5:50 a.m. today. Churachandpur police have registered a case and investigations are underway. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Religious Council of the Kabui community, Tingkau, Rakwang, Chapriak, Pom, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland organizing Silver Jubilee celebrations. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Religious Council of the Kabui community, Tingkau, Rakwang, Chapriak, Pom, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland held its Silver Jubilee celebration today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren graced the event held on the theme Nurture the Indigenous Religion at the shrine of Tingkau, Rakwang and Chingmairong Kabui village. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister N. Biren lauded Kabui community for preserving their age-old customs, rituals and tradition. The Chief Minister unveiled a Silver Jubilee memorial column on the occasion. Dandies performed traditional ritual ceremonies to please their deity, Tingkau Rakwang, at the commencement of the event, followed by lighting ceremony by the Chief Minister to begin the Silver Jubilee celebrations. Chief Minister Biren assured that the state government will sanction annual grant for holding Gangai celebrations, which is the New Year festival of the Jaliarong community. He opined that preservation and promotion of the age-old customs and traditions of various communities will propagate peace and harmony in the state. Village youths perform various vibrant traditional dance performances marking the day.
ngasi phawda despite many force khulai gi kuthang do threaten dawba adagi makhal makha gi threat laira phawda ngasi akhoi jalorom gi tingkaw ragwang sapirak forum religious council lam semakanda ngasi phawda survive torkanda suk yamna mayam leiba ngambase masi gi damakta ai mayam boy appreciate toy akhoi mina respect to wise ai gi dharma do danate ai hindu chalaga ai christian chalaga natragana ai si chalaga nate ai gi leiriba firef aigi strain aigi dignity aina aigi ipa ipu sing nga ga thambang amba poto madugi quality duni ariba ipa ipu sing salamba satna miramba sigi posina expand ora ga khoi majority wera kanda ai khoi masel gi markta nungsina ba hena porkani ai khoi masel gi markta amato bi wakhlon do hena horkani ena ithajabalai
Thao Information Center and Koijam Kamini Devi Memorial Library KKDML held its 10th Foundation Day at Tangmaiban Thao Complex today. Speaking at the event, social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Lashram said that lack of discipline among youths is one of the serious problems in our society. Asserting that failure of parents to teach manners to their children is the main reason, he called upon parents and guardians to carefully nurture the children. Former Chief Minister Radha Binod Koijam, KKDML Chairman Acharya Laimayum and many eminent persons attended the event.
Numit tholopagi dumaina mangangi period ne numit ngangana na tholop matam ni ko noigidi yam numit ta do matam yam leiri heba naha ne ba ko aduna nang yaringe self reliance leyu ko na domde initiate tawga like tamna bo hono ngamdraga mama bawadi mateng ka lobi ai ko na sagi we rules me ama self discipline leyu nangi self decision making powers itomta wa lepchabagi nangi power du leyu aduga ne loshilakpada self confidence aina bu tordi ngamni abigi thajabdu legadaba.
Government college teachers of the state resumed its cease work strike in demand for implementation of 7th UGC pay scale and regulations 2018. Federation of Teachers, College Teachers Association FEGOCTA organized a protest at DM College of Science campus today. The protesting government teachers want to continue the protest until the government resolved the issue at the earliest. Speaking to media, FEGOCTA General Secretary Dr. Enzo Morendro said that the government gave assurance to fulfill their demands within November 4th, but to no avail till date. He expressed disappointment that the government has failed to put into actions its assurances to give them 7th pay scale as in other states of the country. Dr. Enzo Morendro said that their strike was put on hold owing to prevailing issues in the state and resumed it again on November 20th. Various banners were displayed during the protests.
अखोई डिमांड से कुरे December 2018 दगी सिगी डिमांड से तौन लापनी गवर्नमेंट ने सम लेथोग लापसिदा ममांग दसु अखोई 6P implementation तौब कांदसु अखोई से यामना डिस्क्रिमिनेटिव मोंग तौबा अलो हंदक सम रिपीट तौगदरा पाव काइब दसु पिरक तबसिदा अखोई से नुंगाइ तबदि ओजामें से खोरांग खसाउन होय लेबा की रांग दे अखोई पोस्टपोन से सिजवाक से अहुम लक्षि पोस्टपोन तौग्रे अदोंगसीदी अखोइना गवर्नमेंट साइड अपील तौजबसी याम थुना कैबिनेट मीटिंग से फंबिरगा गवर्नमेंट पीगिबो एश्योरेंस से सोइदना याम थुना तौबिरगा खोइदा खंगनबिरगदी मदुग अखोइ उदासिंग खनर मतुंगदा अखोइगी सात्रगे मदि मयाम ये अखोइ खोंजन से हंदोकना तौजगे अदुबु गवर्नमेंट मदुगी डिसिजन लौद्रि फावदी अखोइ सिजवाक से खोंजन दुम चंसंजगनी.
TET Examination Center Demand Committee Ziribam appreciated Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSIM for providing exam center at Ziribam for the TET examination conducted by BOSIM yesterday. Speaking to media at JNN office in Babupara, Ziribam today, convener of the committee N. Dharmendra said that they have been urging the relevant authorities to provide TET exam center at Ziribam owing to the various inconveniences facing the people of Ziribam, including transport and accommodation problems. He expressed gratitude to the Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar, for taking immense role on the matter.
Board of Secondary Education Manipur ki Chairman, Controller of the Examination, Sina Simba Singsina, Ekoigi Awaba, Ziribam ki Kudong Chada Bakiasi, Kanbiro Madunda, Hariba Center, Ziribamda, Bibiduna, Ziribamdagi, paper 1 Sita 224, Adu paper 2 the 161 candidates in Sigi, Kudong Chada Bakia, Kohandi Bagida Makta, Ziribam Sita Center, PB Bagida Maktasu, Ekoigi, TET Examination Center Demand Committee Ziribamna, Haining Eye Latana, the women Kang Baga Loina, Takas of Pondok Seri.
Meanwhile, people were alarmed of a possible bomb in a Honda Activa which was parked since yesterday in front of Langching CRPF gate under Lamphal Police Imphal West District. According to Impact News sources, CRPF personnel who were on duty came across a vehicle at around 9 p.m. yesterday. The CRPF personnel reported to the police as they found a vehicle still parked in the same place today. Patsu Police Station OC and a team of Lamphal Police arrived at the spot and inspected the area. Later, a Manipur bomb squad team arrived and checked for bomb but discovered none. Lamphal Police has seized the vehicle. Miscreants have planted a bomb on the roadside of Sangai Kuki village under Letan Police Station on Imphal Ukrul Road. 26 Assam Rifles personnel discovered a bomb at around 6:30 a.m. today while they were on road opening patrol ROP duty. Imphal Ukrul Road was blocked for some time. A bomb squad team of the Assam Rifles came to the spot and defused the bomb safely at the foothill in the area at around 9:40 a.m. Battalion under IGP Manipur and Nagaland sector as a part of its civic action program distributed solar lanterns to the residents of Mao in Senapati district today. Commandant Vinod Kumar and Deputy Commandant Vinod Sawant distributed the lanterns to the residents of Songsong, Kalinamai, Rabunamai and Mao village. A book entitled Tragic Sense in Old Manipuri Literature, written by Thingom Tarun Kumar, was released today. Progressive Writers Association Manipur chapter organized the event at Hindi Parishad Hall in Old Assembly Road. Dean School of Manipuri University, Chungkham Yeshbanta, President of Progressive Writers Association Manipur chapter, Laimayum Ramesh Chandra, and former Dean School of Humanity, Manipur University, Polem Nabachandra took part in the event. Assistant Professor of Lilong Haurabi College, Dr. W. Kumari, introduced the book in the event. And now the sports news. India Polo Team B Manipur and England Polo Team emerged successful in the ongoing 13th Manipur Polo International Tournament. In the 5th league match played at Imphal Polo Ground today, India Polo Team B Manipur dropped India Polo Team A by 12-3. For the winners, T.H. Jacob, T. Pradeep Kumar and P. Ojit scored 3 goals each, while H. Abung Kuman scored 2 goals and Leshem Batakelambam scored 1 goal. For the losing team, Samir Chaudhary scored 2 goals while Vijay Singh scored 1 goal. In a 6th league match, England Polo Team defeated France Polo Team by 6-5. For the winners, George Amor scored 3 goals while Chris Crawford, Ben Ilay and Will Smith scored 1 goal each. For the losing team, Rommel Dorok scored 3 goals and Clyment Gossett scored 2 goals. England, USA, France, Indian Team A and India Team B are participating in the polo tournament organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. India Polo Team B Manipur will play against USA Polo Team in a 7th league match, while India Polo Team A will lock horns with France Polo Team in the 8th league match tomorrow. Hockey Union Lairik Yingbam Laikai and YCCIC Kontha Ahalup emerged successful in the ongoing 7th state level senior man hockey championship. In the 2nd league match played at Hockey Stadium in Kumalam Park Sports Complex today, Hockey Union Lairik Yingbam Laikai defeated MLHU Langtabal by 10-1. For the winners, Rick scored 4 goals while Kingston and Hirojit scored 2 goals each and Samikant and Shure scored 1 goal each. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by K. Shaizin. In a 3rd league match played this afternoon, YCCIC Kontha Ahalup beat KHSC Kongman by 5-3. For the winners, K. Deveshore scored 3 goals, while W. Suresh and Y. Shyam Chand scored 1 goal each. For the losing team, K. Hera, M. Prem Chand and Momo scored 1 goal each. 6 teams for various parts of the state divided into 2 groups are competing in the Senior Men Hockey Championship organized by Manipur Hockey. SYUC Kongbo Chekon will play against KHSC Kongman in the 4th league match tomorrow. Manipur team has bagged a total of 50 medals, including 29 gold, 14 silver and 7 bronze to clinch runners-up title at the 8th AITWFI National Traditional Wrestling and Pankrashan Championship 2019 held at LB Stadium in Hyderabad from November 21st to 24th. Maharashtra claimed the overall team champions title by bagging altogether 98 gold medals, while host Telangana secured 20 gold medals and bagged a second runners-up title. Sportspersons of 24 states including Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, West Bengal, Orissa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Delhi competed in belt wrestling, mass wrestling, Kajakuras, Pankrashan and various belt wrestling events of the championship. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar launches the first digital workplace solution e-Office of Health Society in Manipur. BOSIM Chairman cum Director of Education STH Kiran Kumar announces to commence HSL's examination from February 17, 2020 under new guidelines. Kokomi team leaves for Delhi. Kokomi coordinator Jitendra says decision will be taken after meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah. Tribes of Zoe community demands Zolan Territorial Council carries out mass protest rallies at various parts of Rachanpur district. And President of Women Action for Development WAD Sobita Mangsatabam appeals proscribed groups not to interfere in settling rape cases.